Welcome to the first episode of the GOM Inspect training tutorials. This part will cover all important aspects of the graphical user interface. The given pieces of information are necessary in order to work with the software properly. GOM Inspect opens with a start screen. On the start screen, you can handle projects. You can either create a new project, you can access recently used projects, or you can directly open a project. You find on the left side the workspaces for specific assignments. You can go back to the start screen, go to Inspection for Evaluation, go to Reporting for Documentation, Mesh Editing to manipulate data. The main toolbar is changing depending on the chosen workspace. In the inspection workspace, for instance, we can create an alignment, create a surface comparison, do inspection sections, etc. The menu bar is very clearly structured and always stays the same, independent from the active workspace. The 3D view is right in the middle. You can turn the object in any three-dimensional direction by pressing the left mouse button and moving the mouse. If you press Shift and the left mouse button, you can turn the object in viewing direction. To zoom in, simply move the mouse wheel forward. To zoom out, move it backwards. If you keep pressing the mouse wheel, you can move the object. Using the coordinate cube in the lower left corner, you may choose between standard views and ISO standard views. Furthermore, you are able to turn either clockwise by 90 degrees or anti-clockwise by 90 degrees, as well as in 15-degree steps. If you would like to change element properties, you have to enlarge the Properties window. In here, you find all relevant pieces of information of the selected element in the Explorer, such as the mesh. Under Information, you find the number of digitized points. You may also change the display of the mesh in the 3D view, maybe to mesh structure. Under Transparency, you can move the slider to make the mesh transparent. Depending on the selected element, the property window changes accordingly. In the toolbar, you find various different selection commands such as Select on Surface, Select through Surface, Select by Patch, and many other selections. The direct help is fully integrated in the software and thus interacts with it. Just enter a term you would like to have further information for, and a list of immediate hits is opened. Click on an entry and you will find comprehensive descriptions about functions, such as a new project. You may also execute the command directly from the help. Alternatively, you find in functions a question mark, which yet again gives you detailed information about specific parameters. You can enlarge the dialog, scroll, continue work and leave it open, or just close it. Please visit and register at support.gom.com for further tutorials, to access an extensive knowledge base with hints and tips, to interact with other GOM Inspect users in the GOM forum, and to download sample data and software updates. Download your free copy of GOM Inspect at gom.com, where you can also obtain more information about upgrading to GOM Inspect Professional, the parametric inspection solution with innovative teaching by doing technology, and to learn more about GOM's optical measuring systems for 3D coordinate measurement and deformation analysis.